Aloha, I'm Dean with ʻāina, and the theme that we like to share is Waiwai. And Waiwai means wealth or to be rich. And in many ways, for me, the pounding of Kalo into poi really celebrates the wealth and the abundance that comes through the work that we do. Yeah, and that the pounding of poi and the eating of poi is really the culmination of all of that hard work. The root word to Waiwai is, of course, vai, which in Hawaiian means water. And so when you had Waiwai, that means that you had an abundance of water. And when you had an abundance of water, Kalo would then thrive, because Kalo really likes and grows well with a lot of water. And so when you had Kalo that was thriving, that means that there was a lot of food and a lot of people could be fed. And when there were a lot of people that were fed and well nourished, then you had a society that could really thrive and do all the wonderful and amazing things that are a part of who we are as Hawaii. And so I like to think of the cultivation of Kalo as being far more than producing a commodity, in this case of Kalo. There's really so much more richness that comes from it. You know, we're stewarding the land, and that as we steward the land, it's actually the land that stewards us. Yeah, we're created to really thrive in this type of environment, engaging in this beautiful place that we call home. It also creates a social climate, because Kalo really was traditionally cultivated as a community, and it enables us the opportunities to engage with one another. I know that for many, there are people who come here and there's a deep spiritual connection that is many times unable to be explained by those who come and experience the work that takes place here. And so we really like to celebrate the hard work and all that takes place in this by really remembering this theme of Waiwai, and that on many layers, there is wealth and abundance that is created through the cultivation of Kalo. One, of course, being the eating of the poi. Mahalo. Aloha.